What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sneaker World? It's your guy JU12, aka Bubba, back with another one. And happy 2018, everybody. I just want to give you guys a quick review on the Gatorade Green Retro 6s. And before we get started, man, don't forget that hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys who've been supporting the channel. Thanks for the love and support. I appreciate everybody. And let's continue to grow the channel. I appreciate that. And let's get into the review. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick review on these Retro 6s. And for those who hadn't seen them, and as you can see, I got everything laid out. That's going to be your accessories that comes with your shoe. Like in all the Gatorade packs, you have the Gatorade tab with the Air Jordan logo, Gatorade symbol. And you have your Air Jordan hang tag with the pair of white laces. I don't have mine clipped on. I wore these one time since I've received them. Just a quick overview on these. They released on December the 30th at a retail price of $225. And like I was telling a lot of people that I know, a lot of people asked me about it. I kept telling everyone that it would definitely was gonna be a limited GR. Now, a lot of people I know, they told me that they were like, man, these will sit. You know, they're gonna sit on shelves. I'm like, these are not sitting on shelves, and I'm sure you're not gonna be able to walk in a store and get these. These are gonna be probably on reserve, or depending on the store, how many they got. I mean, it was gonna be a limited GR, and I was right. So, sorry for the ones who wasn't able to get them. I know Nike.com on the 30th, I was able to get my pair, secure my pair on Nike.com. I was shocked. I thought I was gonna take a L on them, but I just went on there and took a shot at them. But I was definitely getting them regardless. But as you can see, just give you a good little 360 of the shoe here. Everything, I mean, you got the suede upper. I mean, everything, dope about this shoe. They knocked it out of the park again with this. As you can see in my camera, pick it up. There's your Gatorade symbol there on your lace lock. On the bottom, like I said, guys, I'm sorry I wore these one time. They got a little, got dirty just a little bit, but you can tell I've only worn these once, but a good little 360 of them. Very, very dope shoe. Man, probably one of the dopest six, probably if not the dopest six that came out 2017. Get you the back of the tongue there. It says if I could be on there. All right. Let's see. On the inside, you won't be able to see it, but I don't have not a good enough lighting, but it has the Gatorade lightning bolt in there. Let's see, there it is. And I put tape on it just to kind of preserve and keep that. A lot of times I wear those and they'll wear off really fast depending on the insole. But you can see it a little bit right there. But there you go. But yeah, it's definitely probably one of the dopest shoes that dropped in 2017. Very limited. And just let you guys get a good little view of those. I know my lighting ain't the best, but I apologize. I'm definitely getting better in that area. So I'll be getting some better lighting for my reviews. So just continue to hang in there with me, guys. But I just want to let you guys get a quick review of those. Just a quick little look. Those who hadn't seen it. Yeah, you can follow me also on Instagram, Twitter, JU12. And you guys continue to rock with the channel. Continue to support. This is JU12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego